Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by breaking 100 g of 70% Tingle chocolate into uniform pieces. This ensures even melting. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water or microwave for 30-second bursts at 50% power, stirring between bursts. Once done, check temperature with a thermometer. Aim for 45 degrees 48 degrees C for dark chocolate. Make sure to keep movement steady and avoid steam contact, because overheating kills the tingle effect. Stir until glossy. You now temper the chocolate to stabilize texture and preserve the tingle sensation. Cool by stirring and adding about 10 g chopped tempered chocolate to bring it down to 27 degrees 28 degrees C. This seeds the correct crystals. Once seeded, gently reheat to 31 degrees 32 degrees C so it's pliable but stable. When the temperature is right, fold in any extra tingle crystals or flavor drops at the end. Do this gently so you don't dissolve the crystals that give the mouth spark. Work quickly to pour. You pour the tempered tingle chocolate into molds and tap firmly to release air bubbles, then refrigerate for 10-15 minutes to set. Once solid, unmold and store in a cool, dry place away from humidity and strong odors to preserve texture and tingling. If you find bars are dull, soft, or bloom, retemper the chocolate and remold. If the tingle is weak or absent, incorporate a small amount of fresh tingle crystals and test one piece before finishing the batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.